If you have an online course or coaching program and you want to get in on the Black Friday buying frenzy, then stick around because this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to put together a Black Friday offer that your audience will be lining up to buy, and I'll show you how to market that offer as well, including how to do it with Facebook ads. Before we kick off, if you like this video, please, all I ask is that you tap that like button. It makes a huge difference to the channel, and I really do appreciate it. And if you want to hear more from me, hit subscribe, hit that little bell, and you'll get notified whenever I release a new video. All right, so you might assume that creating a Black Friday offer is just a case of figuring out a discount for your course or program or coaching service, slapping it on, and away you go. But there is actually a lot more to it than that if you want to have a really successful Black Friday sale. In fact, if you're thinking of just adding a discount and putting your promotion out there, then I encourage you to rethink that. Because the truth is, discounting your main course or program can actually harm your long-term sales. Because what happens is when you add a big discount to your main course or coaching offer, that sets a new price floor. What that means is that your audience, once they've seen that lower price, that becomes the new actual value in their minds. So let's say you do a Black Friday promotion and you take 50% off your course, you put it out there on social media to your email list and everywhere else. Well, all of those potential customers that see that now view the actual value of your product as being whatever that discounted price is. And as you try to sell that program at full price throughout the year, because they've seen the discount, they're likely to just think, well, I'll wait until this person discounts it again and then I'll buy it. And so by setting a new price floor like this, it actually makes it very difficult to sell throughout the year to people who've seen that offer. So here's some other ways to create a great Black Friday offer that doesn't actually harm your sales in the long term. The first one is consider selling a smaller portion or piece of your main course or program as a Black Friday promotion. So what can you splinter out or take out and sell on Black Friday that has an immense amount of value in itself and that you can sell at a low or discounted price, but isn't your entire program? So you want to make sure that it's something that stands alone and that people are really going to want. The second thing you can do is bundle a set of your products or offering together as a special offer. So instead of taking one thing and adding a huge discount, you could bundle a bunch of your programs or offerings into one thing and offer a discount on that. That way you're not actually reducing the value of any particular course, product, or program. And the third way you could do it is to add bonuses. So instead of discounting your course, you actually just add in some bonuses that increase the value while maintaining the same price point. Now, while you're thinking about what you're going to offer for Black Friday, remember this: Black Friday sales should not just be about a cash injection for your business, particularly if you're in the information product space. Consider that Black Friday is actually a great opportunity to bring a large number of new customers into your business. And while they will deliver some cash up front, you should be really thinking about how do you maximize the value of those new customers over time. So what you want to do is bring them in with your Black Friday offer, but make sure that you create a fantastic experience for those new customers and that you have ways to then serve those customers with higher priced products, programs, and services. If you can have a successful Black Friday sale up front, that's great. But it's a whole other thing if you can continue to build that relationship with your new customers and sell them into higher priced offerings over time. That is where you really build a successful online course business. Now let's talk about how do you actually promote your Black Friday offer. The first thing is the pre-launch or the lead up to Black Friday. And what you want to do is start out by emailing your list a week or two before and starting to build hype. So telling them, hey, I've got a Black Friday sale coming up, keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be one of the best sales we offer all year. Really build hype and anticipation around your upcoming sale. You can drop some hints and clues and really start building excitement about what it might be. Quick note on this, exclude your existing customers. Let's say you're offering your program with some extra bonuses for Black Friday. Well, you can just exclude existing customers from those emails because there's really no point sending those emails to your existing customers because they're never going to purchase the same product twice. Now, if you want to get creative, something you could do in that particular example is send a separate email to your existing customers, maybe alluding to a special offer. And then when the Black Friday offer comes around, you could offer them the bonuses at a heavily discounted price, acknowledging they've already got the course, you're offering the course plus bonuses for the same price they paid, but they can get the bonuses if they really want them at a really heavily discounted price so that they don't feel like they're missing out on your Black Friday sale as loyal customers. In this point of the pre-launch or the lead up to Black Friday for a week or two in advance, you want to be posting on social media as well, building up that hype and building up that interest in the sale that you've got coming up. Don't give away what you're actually offering, but start to allude to the fact that you are going to have a big sale. And here's another good tip for the social media portion of the pre-launch phase. Tell them on social media to join your email list to make sure that they hear about it first and that they get the best deal. So this is a great opportunity to actually build your email list and to make sure that your marketing is as effective as possible, because we know that email is the best way to market. So on social media in the pre-launch phase, encourage people to join your list to get notified about the upcoming Black Friday sale as well. All right, now let's talk about when the sale starts. We'll talk about the email list and social portion first, then we'll talk about the Facebook ad side of things. So the first thing you want to do is email your list, and obviously exclude customers again if you need to do that there. You don't want to be promoting something they've already got. Make sure your emails tell them about the offer, but also tell them about the deadline. Deadlines make people take action. So you really want to focus on the fact that this is a limited time promotion. They have until Black Friday or until Cyber Monday, whenever it is, to get this offer, and then it ends. You also want to start blanketing your social media channels with posts about your special offer as well. It is going to be busy in Instagram and Facebook news feeds and Pinterest and wherever else. So you want to make sure that you are posting 1 to 2 posts every single day over the promotional period to make sure people see that. If you have an offer that has a level of scarcity as well, make sure you are catering for that in your emails and in your social media posts. Scarcity meaning a limited number. So let's say you're offering 50 copies of the special thing that you're offering for Black Friday, and once the 50 are gone, that is it. Well, you want to make sure that in your email you say that. You want to have multiple emails that go out as the number remaining decreases, because that's going to get people to take action. You're going to get more people to buy if they know that, hey, the quantity available is running out. And same for social media. You want to post as the number available is going down and as you're selling out, because that's going to get more people to take action. Now onto your Facebook and Instagram ads. So you want to set your ads up 1 to 2 days at least before the promotion starts. So before your Black Friday deal actually goes on sale. The reason for this is because you want to make sure your ads are all approved and scheduled and ready to go in advance. It can take up to 24 hours for ads to get approved. And this is especially true around Black Friday because so many people are submitting ads. It actually extends the review times. So make sure you get in there a couple of days before, post your ads, publish them, schedule them ready to go so that they can get reviewed, get approved, and they will start immediately when your sale begins. Now for targeting, I always highly encourage, particularly for these types of sales, that you start with your warm audience first. That means you want to create custom audiences that contain your full email list, that contain all of your website visitors over the last 180 days, people who've engaged with you on Instagram over the last 365 days, and people that have engaged with your Facebook page over the last 365 days as well. Take those 4 custom audiences, put them into an ad set, and that is going to be your warm audience targeting for your Black Friday sale. With your ads, you want to send them straight to your sales page for the offer, and your campaign objective is going to be purchases. Now, if you notice that you're not getting much delivery on the purchase objective, or if you've got a really small audience when you combine all of those warm audiences, let's say lower than about 20,000 people, try using the reach objective, and at the ad set level, set it to show your ads to people once per person per day. That's going to make sure that all of the people in those audiences actually see your ads. The reason I say warm audiences first is because they are your most likely customers. People who already know, like, and trust you to some degree are much more likely to buy an information product for you on a day like Black Friday when you send them directly to a sales page versus a cold audience. Now, on the topic of cold audiences, yes, you can absolutely promote to cold audiences. I encourage you to do that if it's a $47 offer or less. Those low ticket items are much more likely to get purchased as an impulse buy by cold audiences, meaning people that don't know you already, than something that is, let's say, $500 plus, okay? The lower the price, the much more likely it is to get an impulse buy, and the more likely you are to be profitable with those ads. But I just want to emphasize that it is much more risky to go to cold audiences with something like this, sending cold traffic directly to an information product, especially if it's something that you've just created for Black Friday and you haven't actually dialed in that sales process and messaging yet. So again, start with warm, go to cold if you've got the extra budget and you want to try and scale, and you understand that, hey, it might be much more difficult to actually generate sales and a nice healthy profit margin compared to my warm audience ads. When targeting cold, I always like to start with a lookalike audience of my existing customer list. You can also try a lookalike audience of your complete email list or of all your website visitors, and of course, interest targeting if you can nail that down. Now, if you want to learn more about interest targeting, there is a video here on how I choose the best interest to target, so make sure you check that out. And again, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. Until next time, thanks, bye.